What's up, YouTube? So today I got something exciting that just came in, and I thought it was going to take a little bit longer, but the rear wheels for the Vet are actually here. The fronts aren't, but here's the rear. Let's open them up. Now I know that the car won't be complete, still won't be ready to drive, but again, we got the rear wheels in, and these things I think are going to look sick. So the rear are going to be 19 by 12 and a half. Bolt pattern, the offsets, everything's on here. There's satin bronze. Again, still waiting for the fronts, but let's open these up and let's see what they'll look like. Should be sick. Nice box. What's this? Oh, a sticker. Nice. Sweet. Oh boy. You guys, these rims are beautiful. Lightweight forged. I mean, and they are light. So I am just literally picking this up right now. These are the rear wheels. It's really not that heavy at all. Wow. Oh boy. Dang, these are clean. That's my Corvette clock. There it is. Yeah, I think these will look sick on the car for sure. That is light. Yeah, that's gonna look nice. Wow. Cannot wait to put these on. Also, don't forget, some people don't want them on your car, but I don't know why they wouldn't, but the air pressure sensors. So also make sure you get them for your right application too. They have different years. So like if you have a 2008 Corvette or something, you know, older than a 2010, obviously, there's going to be a different set of air sensors that you'll need. So be aware of that. But yeah, this should look sweet when it's on the car. I think, again, they did a very good job with these wheels. This is the satin bronze. So it's been a few weeks since I had received the rear wheels. And I got them installed, and there was a little bit of an issue with that. I have it in one of my other videos. Long story short, I brought the rear wheels because they're so wide. I had to bring them to a specialty shop, and they unfortunately damaged one of my wheels. So definitely don't recommend, or I recommend going to a quality shop that knows exactly what they're in for before they mount and balance, you know, forged wheels that are 12 and a half inches wide with low profile. So that's something to always remember. However, I just got the front wheels in, so I'm super excited about that. I had them installed already, had that done at Les Schwab, and they did an excellent job. But let's get these things on the car and see how they look. So these are the Apex. These are the 18 by 10, I believe, or was it 10 and a half? No, no, they were 18 by 10s. 18 by 10, the satin bronze from Apex. Let's get these thrown on the car. The front tires are the Proxes 295 30 ZR 18s. And again, I'm super excited to put these on the car. I've been waiting for about 2 months for these front wheels to come in because they were super back ordered. Also, another video I'm going to be making, I got the Cook's valved exhaust system, axle back for the Vet. This thing is going to be sweet, I think, so I'll be definitely sharing that once I throw it on. So the front wheels are on, and I think they look absolutely badass. Now, what we need to do, we'll get a better video of it here in a sec, but so now that we have the front wheels on, actually installed, and I think they look damn good, but let's just wait till we get it outside. but they need to be torqued. So we're gonna get out our handy dandy torque wrench. Now the recommendation is 100 foot-pounds for the front and rear wheels, the torque setting or the torque spec for these wheels. Let's get that on there. Got that set right on 100. Now, you're not generally supposed to lubricate the studs on Corvettes, is what I've read. It could pull the stud out further or just damage the wheel. Again, that's just what I read. I put very little grease on each one of these threads because on the fronts, on the rear, I will not put anything. But on the front, I did put a very little bit of grease on each thread. But let's get these started, and always make sure you go in a star pattern. You don't want to just go in a circle, a circular motion. You don't want to do that for any wheel, on any vehicle for that matter. But when you torque them, always go in a star pattern, and don't over torque them. But let's get this done. Just to double check everything again, how you use a torque wrench, get it on there. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. You just want to wait till you hear that click, and then you have it set to the right torque spec. I already torqued these. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Can't talk right now. But yeah, let's go around and do the other wheels as well. So I know what you're thinking right now, and why are they sitting up so high? The car is because I have not moved it yet, and once you do, the shocks will settle. So I do need to go drive it around. Last thing we do here, of course, is we need the caps. Oh yeah. Let's put this on. Get everything right here. Pull this up to the top. Again, trying to just do this with one hand. A little tough. There we go. It'll fit in a groove in there. And then they should pop right on. Watch me break it.
Oh boy, I don't want to break it. I hope I didn't jinx myself. You know what, I'm gonna use two hands. I'm gonna put this down for a second. Okay,
there we go. Popped it right in. Just needed to try one side and then the other, and it went right on perfectly. Oh, those look good. Now let's do this side. So again, right at the end, kind of work one side on. Press in the tabs a little bit. One more tab. Perfect. How nice. What is it? What is that, the pump? It's for our camping trip. One of these showers.
Wait, look, I can clip it.
Clip it to what? Oh. Is that a magnet? Oh, it's like a suction thing? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. We're going to have to work on that. So here we go, guys. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take some videos driving it around, take some pictures of it as well. But I think they just look sweet. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, a lot more videos coming about this car. We have the Cook's axle back exhaust, the valved exhaust. I'll be putting that on here very soon. I'm actually going to be making another video of running the car just with no axle back exhaust on there, so it's just basically straight piped at this point. I think that's gonna sound crazy, but we're gonna have to make a video about it. And again, I'm still waiting on a rear diffuser. Got ordered a carbon fiber diffuser, so that's why there's nothing here for now. So I'll be making a video about that too. Stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for watching.